automatic buy sell signal indicator. In live market it will indicate calls like a signal. Right now it's a downside breakout, sell call, red color candle open. So today from 9:15 a.m. itself it's a continuous bullish direction. So previous day buy call followed today, but today after 11:45, as you can see, after 11 o'clock market was started to move in downside direction. After 11:45 it's a downside breakout, so sell call, red color candle open. Like this, whenever the trend changes, whenever the market movement changes, according to the breakout you will get calls like a signal. If it's a sell call, you will get red color candle. From open point itself the candle color will be in red, so that open point is the entry point. Can you see that straight white line from red candle? White line is the entry line, below line are target line, above line is the stop loss line. So same like if a buy call came in, the green color candle will come. So you can easily understand the difference between buy trend and sell trend just by watching the candle color. Right now you are watching this video like this daily, you are just going to watch this chart. This chart will analyze the market movement and it will give the entry point, target and stop loss. Through this entry you can do your intraday tradings. So right now the sell call came at sell at 55,905. First target is 55,765. So it's a 140 point first target range. At 1 p.m. a sudden downside momentum, it successfully break out the first target range. From the sell call generated itself, from that red color candle, can you see? Market was very low volatile, low movement. But after 12:45, a huge movement happened. During that time, it easily break out the first target. So like this today, call came and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.